In motorsports, every millisecond counts. Every millimeter ahead of the rest, every detail. Who knows that better than Porsche and Manthey? The Manthey Performance Kits for the GT2 RS and the GT3 RS enhance your vehicle's connection to the asphalt with the 20 and 21-inch magnesium wheel set and threaded suspension. The kit for the GT2 RS also upgrades the setup with a specially designed carbon underbody and a larger water tank. The bodyform full bucket seat fits perfectly and offers even more lateral support at high G-forces. Let's put the Techquipment performance parts to the test on the racetrack.
3, 2, 1.
Fine-tuned aerodynamic components amplify the downforce and cornering speed, featuring flaps, additional air guide elements on the underbody, carbon aero discs, and a larger rear wing. Every detail is dialed in and designed to increase performance for an even greater emotional impact, stronger adrenaline rushes, and top performance that rivals motor racing. Set new personal bests with performance parts from Porsche Techquipment.